Tom, we're here at Bromford Industries. What is it you do here?
Yeah, we manufacture aircraft jet engines, parts for, out of difficult materials, waspoli, titaniums and pneumatic.
And I know your job, you're in charge of tooling procurement, aren't you? You select what inserts, what end mills, go on the jobs.
Yeah, that's correct. It's all about finding tooling fit for a purpose, and also the right grades of insert that will actually cut those super alloys.
And today we've come to talk about a waspaloy job that you're actually now using horn cutting tools. How did that come about?
Yeah, we're constantly looking for cost savings throughout the group, and one of them was the insert for cutting grooving tools. We currently use a well-known manufacturer, but Horn have these inserts that have double-edged cutting edges, which provided that cost saving.
What tools the cost saving on?
Yeah, it's on the grooving tools. Here's one in particular, if I can show you it. This particular tool, it's a modular tool from Horn, and this insert here, because of its coatings, this is where it gave us this cost saving. But the other additional cost saving was that it had two edges, which actually halve the cost straight away, on our production costs.
And I know you've talked a lot about the Horn coatings, how they can be superior to some of the others.
Yeah, when you're actually cutting these super alloys, especially waspoli, you need the coating to be, at its top edge, and Horn was providing those sort of coatings for us.
And you've used Horn for many years now, so what are they like to work with?
Oh, absolutely, out of this world. To be honest with you, the company are always at the other end of a phone. They're always ready to come on site and help us with any difficulties that we have.
So what other jobs do you use Horn for here on site in Birmingham?
Yeah, well, we do a lot of grooving inserts, and we also use them for our chamfering. So there are some special inserts that we actually have on site from Horn that have double-edged chamfering. So we can actually go around a profile and create a top and below chamfer all in one go.
So when you're looking to produce slots, grooves, things like this, Horn are on the list of companies to look at?
Yeah, they are one of our preferred suppliers of inserts throughout the market.